सेम चीज़ फॉलो करते रहेंगे जो लास्ट जितने भी बायलैटरल आपने बोला अच्छा हुआ है, तो we'll keep continuing doing the same things. If some things are working, that means we are moving in the right direction.
Yes,
My question is to
please.
Surya. Surya, in T20 format, if you see, maybe in some other format you have bowlers who generally part-timers, I'm talking especially the role of part-timers in T20 cricket. Maybe in some other formats you won't see them bowling, but do you think in T20 formats, even those who are part-timers, they have a bigger role to play?
एशिया कप ट्रॉफी की रुनुमाई की तकरीब। एशिया ट्रॉफी कप की तकरीब रुनुमाई में कप्तानों की गुफ्तगू इस वक्त आप सुन रहे हैं।
But no, we don't want to get to that extent. But yeah, it's an added advantage if any batter who's batting at top order or middle order gives you an extra over in this format. It's always good for the captain, and we might need anyone on a given day. For example, if a surface is slow, or we need a bowler who bowls spin. So it's always good to have someone like him rolling their arms for 1 over or the two. But yeah, it's always good to have someone like that in the pocket.
Hello, hi. My question is to Surya and Salman both. Considering the recent situation between the two countries, do you think that there is a need to give specific instructions to the players to keep their tempers in control during the match?
Temper. Sir, aggression is always there on the field when we take the field, and without aggression, I don't think you can play this sport. And I'm sure I'm very excited to take the field from tomorrow.
Well, it's you don't need to say anything to any player, because everyone is individually very different. If someone wants to be aggressive in the field, they're more than like welcome to do that. So when it's come to fast bowlers, they are always aggressive, and you can't just stop them, because that's what keep them going. So whoever wants to do be aggressive in the field, they are more than welcome. So yeah, from my side, there is no instruction to anyone, as long as it stays in the ground.
Hi, my question is to Surya. India have two wicket-keeper batsmen, Jidesh and Sanju Samson. My question is about Sanju. Can Sanju Samson make it to India's playing 11?
Sir, आपको playing 11 message कर देता हूँ मैं. But yeah, see, we are actually taking really good care of him, and don't worry, we'll make a right decision tomorrow.
Ritu, next.
Wasim bhai, congratulations on your first first big tournament as a captain of the UAE team, and the IL T20 has given such a wonderful platform to UAE cricketers, and you have played against some very big name international players. So how much of that will help you as you play against these very top teams of Asia?
Yes, you are right. We were playing in the IL T20 with the big names like and everything. Everyone, sorry. When you are sharing the dressing room and you are learning from the best, and yes, we are learning from them. And as Surya Bhai said about the preparation, yes, we are doing that preparation from last couple of months to play such a great event. So I'm very confident we are ready to accept this challenge.
Okay. Green.
My question is to Charit. I mean, Ashit spoke about how it's not ideal, doing all these things few hours before the game, traveling cities. You've traveled countries, you've just come in from Zimbabwe. So tell us about how you